Right now at 10, police and prostitutes. The debate over allowing cops to sleep with sex workers makes national headlines as the Senate gets ready to vote.
The Hawaii law allowing police officers to have sex with prostitutes could be on its last legs. Good evening, I'm Kenny Choi.
And I'm Yunji Denise. That law went from relative obscurity to sparking some outrage in just a matter of days. Today, state senators held a hearing and voted to remove a police exemption in the law. KITV4's Nana Okawa has our top story tonight.
A steady stream of testimony today from people claiming police have no business being above the law, whether it's sex with prostitutes or any other investigation.
Would it be okay if a policeman, did some ecstasy just to make sure that that was the real stuff? So I find this type of legislation to be really baffling and confusing.
Most recently, I had a case in which my client had intercourse with 3 officers consecutively in one evening before she was finally arrested.
Lawyer Myles Breiner testified, saying you don't have to get as far as actual sex to have cause for an arrest.
In the statute, the language has not changed. Essentially, it's a crime is committed by a verbal agreement. You don't need to engage in sex to commit the offense. It's ludicrous.
Honolulu police opposed a bill to get rid of the exemption allowing officers to have sex with prostitutes during investigations. Police say it was poorly worded, so the department asked the committee to omit that sentence, or officers would not have been able to respond to even a verbal offer of sexual intercourse from a suspected prostitute, adding the exemption for police officers is necessary so they can conduct prostitution investigations.
Police are going to have to be more creative than relying on special treatment in arresting prostitutes.
No one from the Honolulu Police Department showed up at the hearing today.
The fact that they didn't come today suggests quite strongly that either they're embarrassed about the special exemption or they didn't want to confront the panel on the Senate Judiciary Committee.
Advocates say the exemption just needs to be cut out and gone.
We know for sure that there are not many states at all that have this type of immunity, and definitely within the human trafficking field, everybody is pretty much shocked on a national level that Hawaii does allow this immunity.
Nana Okawa, KITV4 News.
The Senate removed the exemption and then deferred the bill. The Senate Judiciary and Labor Committee is scheduled to hear it again next Friday.